So, hi everyone, welcome back on iOS Chain. Um, Thank you. If you have seen the first video, you know that now this is the first video. You know that now there is this series of video where we try to use MetaMask SDK for create somethings. I have n not a lot, but I have one idea for start to do and implement some things of this SDK. Maybe for now, in first step, we will only try to um, implement the things that we can implement uh, in one application. So we will try only to implement all things, all API and all things that are available in the SDK. We will use the sample app for understand some things that for understand how implement some things, and we will try to read the documentation and understand how implement the other things that are not inside the sample app. So I have do test about before start this video. I have tried some things and I have seen that there are problems sometimes. If you use MetaMask on SDK on macOS, so only are not bug, okay, but are things that I haven't seen explained. If you want, you can run the sample app, okay, on your mobile phone, and or if you want, you can use a macOS app. Um, Only one moment. Okay. Uh, okay. The first things that I understand is that if you want connect MetaMask on the macOS or on your mobile phone, you need more than one extension, okay? But you need follow the onboarding that come outside with a link from the mobile app. When you install the sample app on your phone or on Mac, okay, you will be and try to connect with a wallet. You will be redirect, and you will be redirect on this page um, because it's like the macOS application or the mobile phone can see the extension of Metal. So you will need you will do download the application of MetaMask and install it on your device. I have downloaded it before, okay? And after you install the mobile or desktop application, okay, of Metal, but native, you can use the MetaMask SDK sample app with Connect, or you can create your application. We will see, and use your application for connect with the MetaMask wallet. So One thing that was not so clear is that if you want to use MetaMask, okay, um, have only the extension is not a node, okay, but you need the application. Um, so download the application if you want to try, and install the application on your Mac. Um, so we can try to run the sample app, okay. Yes, the MetaMask app have something that not work correctly, I think, because all times that you change the yeah, no, okay, okay, there is a timing maybe that is really low, less, and you need to set always the you need to use always the ID for authentication. The timeout is really less. But okay, this is another story maybe. Okay, so this is the sample app of MetaMask. Um, you can see that dapp, the app, the status of the wallet is offline. Okay, so the application is not connected to the MetaMask. Okay, um, but with the SDK, okay, um, you can create an observer and use the MetaMask singleton for Ethereum. Create your decentralized application, okay, and connect the decentralized application between your wallets. Okay, by default, MetaMask can be used for understand. There is a callback, okay? There is a published that can help you for understand the state of connection between your application and the wallet. And there are three states: connected, disconnected, and connection request. Okay, and okay, okay, there is the possibility to see the debug, okay, for understand if all things are working or there are problem. Okay, so the application, okay, this is the test application that we can use for understand how the connection work. Okay, I can see that there is the MetaMask singleton of Ethereum. Okay. Okay, there is a cancelable maybe for the published for understand if we can the state of the connection, if we are connected, not connected, and other things. There is the decentralized application, okay, and here there are other okay, other state flag. Okay. Okay, here there is the code, the real code, okay. For okay, there is a publish and when you connect, okay. Okay, there is this custom notification for change the status and for understand if you are offline or not, okay, but the okay, the important part is this, okay. because you can only connect it, okay, or you can yes, or you can have a sync, okay, and receive the status of the connection. So in future in as application we should implement this sync for handle the error if something's not work correctly, and we can receive the result. Okay, so what's happening in the app when you maybe we can okay set a breakpoint here. So what's happened when has connect the application with the wallet? Okay, Metamask see that you want connect, okay, and on the has application, okay, we receive the status of connection, okay, and we get the result. The result is the wallet number, the wallet identifier. So okay, the things work correctly, and the status is changed from offline to client connected. Okay, and we have get the chain ID. How we have get this thing? Okay, we have get the chain ID. Thanks Ethereum, the singleton of the MetaMask SDK. Okay, and yes, all things look work correctly. Only for understand one things, when we try to connect, the state is offline, connected to server. Okay, so connected to server is the connected to server, maybe is connection request. Okay, something's not working. SDK connected to server. Mm, nothing. Okay. Okay, this is the debug that working. Okay, but the connection not working. Okay, maybe we can try to set but the start before this and after this. So something's okay. Client connected. Okay, maybe something's not work correctly, but error message could not be decoded. The tag could be read because it is the correct format. Mm. Okay, we can retry. Maybe it's only a temporary problem. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now work correctly another time. Okay. Maybe there is the possibility that something's not work correctly. Um, I have see here oh, concept. There is concept here about MetaMask. No, okay, about the architecture. Uh, Maybe there is the possibility that yes, when the user contact MetaMask SDK, uh, something's not working correctly. When you try to connect to MetaMask Web3 stack, there is the possibility that become lazy or there are other problems, but I don't know. Okay. Mm, okay. Oh, the data are sync. SDK disconnected. Okay, so this is another funny things when the uh, thanks the Ethereum connect SDK disconnected. Okay. Um, Client connect. Okay, so the if something's change on the state of your MetaMask SDK, sorry, on your MetaMask, okay, the SDK in your application is synced. So if the wallet, the status of wallet become disconnect, okay, your application will be update thanks the SDK. So maybe we should understand if uh, if we should use the same sync here for track the change of state, or there is another published, maybe. No, this is not published. Okay, maybe we should understand if there is the possibility to uh, okay, maybe this notification. There is the possibility to intercept the change of state. Yes, is this. Uh, okay, so with this notification center default connection, we can intercept the change of the state and update the UI. So this one receive can be used for check yes if the SDK is disconnected or not. And okay, this code is used only uh, for the request, so only for the first request. Uh, that's all. Good. Okay. So yes, is a lot. Okay. So uh, for now, I think that that's all. So we have understand that if we want connect has application and has a decentralized application, we should use this decentralized application. The connect method from the Ethereum singlet zone, and we can use one sync on the connect um, for understand that forget the result of the connect, and we can use one notification published for check the change of the status. So if after the call and after the connection, the status change, we can intercept the change and update the UI and have a feedback inside the app. So for now, that's all. Maybe for now we can use this decentralized application for test, but maybe in future we will see how create as a decentralized application with a smart contract. I don't know, and we will try to connect um, to as node. So for now, that's all. I hope that you have understand some things. I have understand some things, but it's complicated maybe. Um, the first look is not so it's not so easy, but is a starting point. So thank you for your time. Thank you for listening me. If you are crazy, I am lucky. Okay. Um, because only one crazy man or girl can see this video for all this time. So thank you for your time and goodbye. I will see you in the next video. Okay, so thank you. Bye.